The bitter divide over how to fix America's finances just keeps getting wider.
We have to use a scalpel and not a machete to reduce the deficit.
Rather than building bridges, he's poisoning wells.
But working quietly behind the scenes is a group of senators known as the Gang of Six. 3 Democrats, Senators Mark Warner, Dick Durbin, and Kent Conrad, and 3 Republicans, Senators Saxby Chambliss, Tom Coburn, and Mike Crapo. They're doing something almost unheard of in today's hyper-partisan Washington, working together on tackling the nation's ballooning debt, now ticking closer to its $14.3 trillion limit.
Well, when we started this, we were kind of viewed as the odd guys out that nobody gave much chance to.
This odd couple, Democratic Senator Mark Warner, Virginia, and Republican Senator Saxby Chambliss of Georgia, started the gang 4 months ago.
I've got 2 children and 5 grandchildren. Should we leave them a $14 trillion debt? My firm answer is no.
When they're not meeting in private, they're jointly hosting town halls across the country, hoping to get the business community on board.
It's so critically important for us to get this issue under control now.
To avoid political mudslinging, they remain tight-lipped about what their proposals might be, but do say they'll pick up where a bipartisan fiscal commission left off last December. That group recommended cutting $4 trillion over the next decade, in part by raising the retirement age, reducing Medicare benefits for the wealthy, and reforming the tax code by eliminating popular loopholes. Tough to swallow for both parties.
How do you sell this?
We got to check our Democrat hats and Republican hats at the door and put on that American hat first.
Warner and Chambliss call it shared sacrifice, meaning Republicans take a closer look at raising taxes.
Is that on the table?
It's got to be. But what we hope is that it will be revenue neutral.
And Democrats loosen their grip on entitlement programs.
Everybody's going to have some skin in the game. Everybody's ox is going to get gored a little bit on this.
The Gang of Six could unveil its plan as early as May, but time is running out. Both sides agree the closer we get to the 2012 election, the tougher it will be to get a deal. Whit Johnson, CBS News, Washington.